Hey everybody, welcome to Neil Codes. I'm your instructor for today, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the top 3 dying programming languages that you should not learn in 2021. At number 1 we've got CoffeeScript. CoffeeScript was a language that was available and that was released back at the time when JavaScript had no cool features like it has right now. Okay? Actually, JavaScript when it was old did not have features if you know about them like maps, right? But now, and CoffeeScript had those. CoffeeScript had those maps. But now JavaScript has those and it is more popular, right? JavaScript is more popular than CoffeeScript. So why should you learn the worst programming language when you already have a better programming language which is JavaScript? I don't see a reason for it. Let's go ahead to trends.google.com, search for CoffeeScript and replace and compare it with JavaScript. Now if you take a look, CoffeeScript is on the decline. It's like less than 1 and 0, right? If I go from the 2004 to the present, you'll be able to see the same thing. You're able to see the same thing, right? You should not learn CoffeeScript actually right now. If I take a look at the past, still JavaScript is a lot better. You're able to see CoffeeScript is really bad. Okay? So, that is the reason you should not learn it. Now, if I had permission to show you YouTube tutorials, I could, but I'm pretty scared of all those copyrights problems. Okay? So, that's why I'm not showing you. But yesterday I researched a little. CoffeeScript tutorial had 59.9k views. Okay, I'm not able to show you because there can be copyrights issues, but it was there. Let me tell that to you. Now, at number 2 we've got Perl. Perl was used back then for system administration, and Perl was also used for network programming, etc. purposes. But now it's on the decline. It's clearly on the decline. So XAMPP, I think, is used for PHP and Perl. So XAMPP, full form, right? If I search for that, multi-platform, Apache server, MariaDB, Perl. See, Perl PHP. So I'm going to be taking a look and comparing Perl with PHP. Take a look. It's completely on the decline. You're able to see? And if I obviously add CoffeeScript here, previous programming language, you'll be able to see it's way better than that. So if you are only confused in CoffeeScript and Perl, then you should obviously learn Perl. But nah, you should not. So if I compare it with a language that uses the same tool as itself, it's way better. PHP. I'm learning it. See, here are some PHP codes that I'm writing. So I'll get you with another PHP tutorial after Python. Okay, let's switch back to Google Chrome. And everything looks good. Now let's go ahead to the third and the last language. This is Lua. Okay, Lua was used in web servers, but now it's on completely the decline. You should not learn it at all. So if I take a look, Lua programming language, and I compare it not with PHP but with JavaScript, or let's compare it with Python now that we don't have an alternative for it. Actually, I'm going to be telling you this. Lua was released almost with R. Okay, I'll not be able to search for R on Google Trends. For some reason, it has limited the search to more than 2 words. So I'll not be able to search for R, but it was there, released almost with R, right? So if I say Lua release date and I go here, take a look, 1993. R release date 1993, right? And Lua 1990 3. Okay, R and that. So you already know R is popular. Which is popular, R or Lua? See, it's not popular. Nope. See, it is also written it's not dying. I did not say all of these are dying. This is on the decline. Just Lua is on the decline. Compared to the languages that we're going to be learning, it is completely on the decline, guys. If you take a look, it's completely on the decline. You should not even learn it. If I get Perl into the competition, which is a pretty bad idea, but still, you're able to see Perl is better, at least is visible, right? That Lua is not even visible in this bar chart. Okay, I hope you understood it. If you obviously know about SQL, we can add SQL also. Take a look. SQL and JavaScript are at the same. PHP is not that much. So you're able to see, take a look. Lua, the worst. Nope, never should learn it. I did not state that these languages are dying. Actually, some of them are, some of them are not. But they are not on the incline actually. To show you Perl, show you about Perl, I have also went to insights.stackoverflow.com as you're able to see Perl. 71.4% is it's dreaded. I know PHP is also dreaded, but I really like that language. That's why I'm learning it. R is also dreaded, but not that much. 55.5% is not a lot. But loved, I mean, you've got Rust, loved. Okay. I did not know that. I did not know that at all. I did not know Rust was loved. I thought it is a very bad programming language. I got my lesson. I hope you got a lesson. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe for more like this.